One day, in Teletubbyland, Lala and Po were out having a drink when Lala started bragging about how awesome she is and her yellow self. You don't understand, Po, how I'm the most awesome Teletubby in Teletubbyland. I know you didn't just offend me with that, Lala. We're all awesome. I know that. Tinky Winky knows that. Dipsy knows that. Even the sun knows that. And it's the one that shines bright in the sky. You should know that too. Don't you?
You know what, Lala?
What, Nunu?
You are 100% all puffed up.
Lala. Tinky Winky, do you think I'm the pride of the line? Because I sure do. I think I'm the most awesome Teletubby in Teletubbyland. Really? You might want to stop the cap, Lala, because I saw you singing at a minor concert on my tummy screen. You're only a good for minor singer. How rude! I can dance too! I can dance just as you can! Not as much as I do. But I've got plans today. What plans? Just wait and see, Tinky Winky. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Now what am I gonna do?
Reminder to all Teletubbies. Please make sure that your tummies are filled up with tubby toast or some tubby custard. I repeat, please make sure that you're filled up with tubby toast or tubby custard. Or both, whatever you decide.
Uh-oh. Property of Tinky Winky. It's mine now. I'm gonna go get some tubby custard, guys. Huh? What happened to my tubby custard that was on this table? I don't know what you mean. Unless... Lala! Lala? It's a trick, Tinky Winky. Lala must have stolen your tubby custard while you weren't looking. I get a hold of Lala for this.
La 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 la. What a clever plan.
Lala, Teletubby!
Oh, Dipsy, what are you doing here?
What do you think you're doing with that tubby custard, huh?
You mean this? Dipsy, I can explain.
Some pranks are funny, Lala, but not this one. You have caused confusion and delay. Even for Tinky Winky.
Oh. You're right, Dipsy. Should have listened to Poe.
I want you to go out there and apologize to him and make him another one. Right this minute.
Okay, Dipsy. If that's what he wants.
So, I'm the one that stole your tubby custard, Tinky Winky, and I ate it. I'm sorry, Tinky Winky. I'll make you another. I knew it was you. Poe told me that was you. You owe me another tubby custard, Lala. You owe me a big time, too. I'm on it.
Hold up. You stole Tinky Winky's Tubby Custard, but you stole my Tubby Toast too? I see Tubby Toast crumbs on the floor on your face. You stole my Tubby Toast too, Lala?
I'm gonna whoop your yellow behind for this.
Uh-oh.
What did we learn?
Stealing tubby custard is wrong. Or anything.
You gonna make me some tubby toast too. And make some for Dipsy too. And hurry it up. If you can. Look. None of us Teletubbies can stay mad at you, but don't ever do this again. Just go make some tubby toast for us. And some tubby custard for all of us.
Yes, Poe.